Hello A plus traders, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I use the MACD indicator to spot entries in the market. It's a very simple concept, and within 5 minutes you're going to consume this information, and this is part of the videos which I promise you I'm going to share with you on the best way and the proper way to use indicators when you are trading the financial markets. Sit tight as I share with you this lovely concept. But before I jump into the tutorial proper, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, A Plus Trading Hub, and click on the notification bell too, so you don't miss any tutorial updates. So let's start. MACD indicator, most of us know, is a trading indicator. You can find them on the MT4, MT5, TradingView, or any other trading platform. It's very simple. I don't want to tell you the definition of the MACD. All I want to do in this tutorial is just how I use it to spot entries. I use it to spot when to take a trade. That is what I use it for. Some traders use it for different kind of things, but basically I keep things simple, so I use it for spotting entries. So this is how our MACD settings is going to be like. For the fast length, you use the 12 exponential moving average. For the slow length, you use the 26 exponential moving average. For the signal length, you use the 9 exponential moving average. So when you click on the chart and you click on indicators and tap in MACD, pull up the MACD, you have to make sure these settings correspond with what you have. This is the settings of the MACD. If you don't have the settings like this, you may be reading the wrong signals. So make sure your settings follows this concept here. So this is how this MACD entry concept works. First of all, before you use it, you need to define your higher time frame and your entry time frame. Like for me, I'm a swing trader. My higher time frame is the daily time frame, and my entry time frame is the 4-hour time frame. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use that too. I'm going to make sure I'm using the daily as my higher time frame and the 4-hour time frame as the entry time frame. Basically, what we are going to be looking at is, if the higher time frame MACD line crosses above the signal line, we'll be looking for buying opportunities in the entry time frame. If it crosses below, we look for selling opportunities on the entry time frame. So it's pretty simple. When you see that your MACD line have crossed the signal line below, all you need to do is wait for price to approach key turning points, maybe support and resistance or trend line, and then you wait for price rejections before taking an entry. Let's just go straight to one or two examples. Let's go to investing. Okay, this is investing.com. I do my overall market analysis and market structure on TradingView, but I go to the investing.com to take my entries. Why I use investing to take my entries is that the closing time for the investing.com chart is the New York closing session. If you are using a New York closing session, it gives you an advantage because you will be able to detect when we have volumes in the market or not. So let's start with this GBP AUD chart. This is the daily chart, and here is our MACD. I've pulled up our MACD already here. That is the MACD there. If you want to pull out MACD, it's actually simple. Come to indicator and you type in MACD and it's up there. Then you click on it, it will appear on your chart. Then when it appears on your chart, you go to settings, click here where you have the format, click settings. See, I also use fast length 12, slow length 26, signal length 9. Then the style, You can choose whatever color you need, but for my MACD color I use the green color here. So, and the signal line is the red color. So you can see on this chart now, the green line we have here is my MACD color, and the red moving average we have here is the signal line. So once the MACD line crosses above the signal line, I'll be looking for buying opportunities. If it crosses below the signal line, I'll be looking for selling opportunities. So on the GBP AUD chart here, we can see the MACD line have crossed above the signal line, so we are going to look for buying opportunities. So I'll go to my entry time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. Now when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can also notice at this MACD here, it's trying to make a U-turn here. Look at the green moving average. It's trying to push up, so it's giving you a clue that price is going to push higher. Then from what I'm seeing here, we have a kind of bullish flag here. Let me use trend line to draw that. So it's technically a bullish flag here. So to better time your entries now, you wait for price to break out, retest. See, here is our resistance level, and you can see price breaking out. So when you see price break out to retest the resistance there, that is when you take a buy trade to the upside. Or better still, you can wait for it to push down and retest this trend line again before you buy. You buy, then place your stop loss at least 50 pips away from the signal candle there, and your take profit will be up above. So let's look at another example on, we check Euro GBP. Let's see Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Remember, MACD moving average is the green moving average down here, and you can see it has crossed below a signal moving average. The signal moving average is the red one, so it has crossed below. So we are going to look for selling opportunities now. So I go to my entry time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, and you can also see from here that the MACD moving average is also trying to cross below. So right now we have this kind of ending diagonal here. So your best entry would have been where we have this inverted hammer. You sell there, and your stop loss will be at least 50 pips away from there, from the signal, from here to here. Your stop loss will be within this region. Any price within this region, that is where you place your stop loss, and you sell here. Your entry will be here, and your TP will be way down. So you see how I'm using this MACD now to guide me in taking my entries. So I use MACD to guide me in taking entries. So now the MACD line is trying to cross the signal line again. So, and it is a good time to take a sell. You take a sell from there, then place your stop loss away from that inverted hammer. Let's look at another one, another currency pair. Let me see Bitcoin. Daily, we go to the higher time frame. Yeah, we can see already that prices, there was an impulse here. This was a big impulse here, bullish impulse, so it might happen again. Right now you see the MACD moving average, the green line, the green moving average has crossed above the signal moving average, the signal line. So we are going to look for buying opportunities. First of all, you just need to go to the higher time frame and establish your trend. Just use it to establish your trend. Then go to your entry time frame. For me, my entry time frame is the 4 hour. So I go to an entry time frame, and I can see prices like in an accumulation phase. And remember, an accumulation phase gives rise to a bullish move to the upside. So the market structure is tight. So right now it seems this was an impulse, this is a bullish impulse here, and price is correcting like a bullish flag. So see how I'm using the indicator, MACD indicator, as a second opinion tool. I'm using it to back up my analysis here. So that is how you should be using your indicator. You don't just use it on its own, you use it to mark up this is a good bullish flag here, and you see price is pushing up. So this is a good time to buy. You buy Bitcoin from here, and your stop loss will be down here. The stop loss will be down here, and your take profit will be above there. So you see how I'm using the indicator, MACD indicator, as a second opinion tool. That is how you should be using your indicators. You use them to check out what price is doing. You don't just base your analysis on your indicators. So I believe you learned a thing or two from this video. If you learned something good and you understand very well, just like the video. If you don't understand anything on this video and you want to ask questions, just comment below this video. I'll look at it and see how I can give you more explanation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel A Plus Trading Hub and click on the notification bell. Then this is your settings for the MACD. Don't forget, this is the settings for MACD here, and this is how it works. You define your higher time frame and your entry time frame, after which this is the steps you need to take to spot your entries when you are using the MACD indicator. So that is all we can accommodate in this tutorial. I wish you more pips.